Is the string uppercase is the question of today. What we have is a function that takes a string as an input and we have to return whether the string is uppercase or lowercase. If it consists any lowercase values, we should just return false. Okay, let's get to it. Let's print the string here. And what we can use is the dot is upper method, and it actually returns true if the string is uppercase and false if the string isn't uppercase. Okay, I think we can replace the print statement by a return statement here. It looks terrific. There we stumble upon special characters. This is upper method returns false, but we should return true in such a case. Don't know why. But we can do the following for that. Import string. That's a module, and that consists the punctuation method. And with that, we can import a whole string of special characters. Let me showcase that. Let's create this variable special characters is equal to string dot punctuation. Let's print the string here. Yeah. Okay. And what I want to do is the following. I want to use an if else statement here. So we return whether the input is upper or not if our string not in the special characters list. Else we return true. Well, let's attempt it here. Perfect. Mission accomplished. I hope this has been helpful and that you learned something from it. And I hope to see you in another video. Ciao.